Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, welcome to my channel. My name is Chantal and today I have a really fun and exciting Sephora haul and we completed this look using that haul, so I can't wait to show you guys what I got. This is my favorite haul so far. So without further ado, let's just get straight into the video. I am so excited for today's video. I got another Sephora haul. I know, another one. I've opened the box because I couldn't wait. I was so excited, but I haven't actually tried any of the products yet. I did some swatches on my hand just to check everything out, but literally I'm so excited to use these and create a look with you guys today. We're just gonna go through all of the products that I got, and then we're gonna go in and do like a full face. It'll be pretty sweet. I got this Becca Summer Radiance Kit, and I'm like so excited for this because mainly it has beautiful bronzer, but also it has this awesome primer, and it's called the Backlight Priming Filter. It looks like this. And the Backlight Priming Filter is a radiance boosting primer that acts as an instant filter for the complexion. Infused with a blend of crushed pearls, it creates a perfect canvas for makeup with a luminescent glow. Apply a thin layer all over your face or to targeted areas, under foundation or alone. So this could go as basically just like put this on to get like a natural glow. I'm excited to see what it looks like on my face just because I do tend to have already kind of a shiny complexion, so I hope it works on me, but I just want that glow, y'all. I just want that glow. And then it comes with the Capri Coast Sunlit Bronzer, and it is literally so pretty. Let me swatch it for you guys. That's what it looks like. Okay, y'all, and then I got the Sephora Radiant Luminizing Drops, and this is in the shade Morning Light, and I haven't ever tried like a liquid highlighter before, so I'm so excited for this. I did a swatch on my hand, and I was like, ah, what is life? Why have I never had this? So let me do a swatch for you. Look at that. So pretty. Beautifully with the bronzer. I didn't even plan that out. And then the third thing that I bought, the Anastasia Prism palette. Like, what? It's got this really pretty like lime green in here. I'm loving these two colors over here. I can't stop staring at it. I literally just opened it and stared at it and like thought of all of the possibilities and like literally just became obsessed. And then I got this for spending, I think if you spend $500 you get this, because it's 500 points, and I think like every dollar you spend is 1 point. But yeah, so I got this. It's called the Urban Decay Side Eye Trio. It comes with the Perversion Mascara, 24/7 eye pencil, and the eyeshadow primer potion. And what's really, the packaging is super cute. Goes like this, and this obviously is a full-size mascara. This is a full-size eye pencil, and then I'm pretty sure this is like a full-size primer as well. Maybe it's like the travel size, I'm not sure, but they're big products. They're not like sample products. Like, this is really fucking cool. So I'm excited about this. And then going into the samples that I got, first thing is the Kat Von D Studded Kiss Cream Lipstick. We have, looks like a matte brown. Oh wait, this is Meet the New and Approved Cream Lipstick. So maybe they're not matte, maybe they're like creamy. But I have kind of like a brown, nude color, a pinky nude color, kind of like a plum color, and then a bright red and a bright purple. So I'm excited for those. I'm excited for this color because I don't have anything like this. And this color up top, I'm obsessed with like brown lipsticks, tan lipsticks, nude lipsticks, all of it. So, and then I got the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream, and actually I'm not even sure like what this is, but like the name just sold it for me. I was like, Brazilian Bum Bum, I need one of those. I want one of those. So Brazilian Bum Bum Cream, it says it's infused with all-powerful guarana extract, And it says on the back, love it, flaunt it, you've got it. So once I know more about this, I will do a little review on this. But yeah, I just figured I would show you guys. I'm just not really sure like what it is, what it does. I understand it's a bum cream, but like why? So anyways, and then I got the Yves Saint Laurent perfume, and this is Mon Paris. And it smells so good, you guys. Yes. In fact, let's just spray it now. Yes. Ooh, I love it. It's definitely kind of like girly, but like sophisticated. Very floral. I like it. And then last but not least, they had this little promo going on for the Amore Pacific Botanical Radiance Oil. And it says, this refreshing lightweight oil delivers intensely on radiance and antioxidant protection. Formulated with 3 elements of the green tea plant, including moisturizing first sprouted green tea water and moisturizing spring flower seed for a hydrated, healthy glow. After cleansing and toning, apply it morning and night before moisturizing. Ooh, so excited. And it looks like this. It's just a little sample. Botanical Radiance Oil. That's so funny. It literally says not for sale on the back. And it has a little dropper. Cool. I'm really excited to use this. I'll let you guys know what I think about this. I've already moisturized my face, and so I'm not, and I'm about to put this glowy like primer on, so I don't want to be like super glowy, you know. So yeah, that's what I got in this little Sephora haul. I just love the products that I personally bought. Like, I'm obsessed with them. Let's get into the makeup look. Oh, and you know what I just realized? The only foundation that I have is the Matte and Poreless. Okay, whatever. Hopefully it'll work out and it won't like completely just hide this. Let's see what happens. So going in with the Becca Backlight Priming Filter. I did swatch this and I noticed right off the bat it has a gorgeous natural like shimmer to it, and it's very tacky. Like, it's perfect primer for like stay all day makeup. I'm gonna put like the least amount on my forehead because I just really don't like my forehead shiny. You guys, this product smells so good. It smells like vacation, like a hotel room. Is that weird? Like a hotel room, is that weird? So right off at the bat, I'm noticing a beautiful glow. Just going in and out of the light. You can see it's definitely reflecting. It's definitely got a beautiful glow to it. It's nice and tacky for like all day wear makeup. Yeah, I think I love it. Looks great. Okay, now we're gonna go in with our foundation. I'm just gonna do this really quick and be right back, because if you've watched any of my videos, you already know I'm using the Matte and Poreless Maybelline foundation. Alright, so my biggest concern with using the Matte and Poreless foundation was that it was just gonna cover up that primer and basically take away from what it's supposed to do, but it doesn't look like it's doing that. It looks like it's still shining through that foundation, which is awesome. You can see there's definitely a luminescent glow. Yes, girl, yes. So I'm just gonna go on and do my eyebrows really quick with the NYX eyebrow powder in the shade Brunette, and I will be right back. All right, so now I'm gonna prime my eyelids with the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion, and this is my first time ever using this product. What I love about this is that it has like the little, oh, if I can get it out, little thingy, so I can just like put it on like so. And rub it in with my finger. And now for my favorite thing ever, the Prism palette, Anastasia Beverly Hills. Let's get it. I think I'm also gonna try out the brush that comes with it. Ooh, it's soft. Nice blending brush. The flat brush. Cool. For my transition color, I'm gonna go in with this color here called Unity. I'm going to blend that into my crease here. And now I'm going to take this color Saturn and I'm going to kind of go right into the crease and blend this right into the transition color. Oh my god, these colors are so pigmented. Wow. They're not blending out super well, so I'm going to just blend, 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 blend. Okay, that is so gorgeous. I love how pigmented this color Saturn is. Now I'm gonna take this color here called Throne. I'm gonna press that onto my lid. Oh my god, that is so pretty. Wow, those colors just look so pretty together. Who would have thunk? Now I'm going to take this color Pyramid and I'm going to press that right onto my lid. It's right in the middle of my lid. Now I'm going to take this color here called Parallel and I'm just going to blend that with my crease brush into my crease. So I'm just going to do my concealer really quick, brighten up my under eyes, and then we'll go in and contour. So now I'm going to take the Becca Capri Coast bronzer, and I'm going to use this to contour my face. Now I'm going to go in with the illuminizing drops. And I'm like really nervous. I'm going to put this up. Yes, look how pretty that is. This is unreal how pretty this is. I'm officially obsessed with the liquid illuminizing drops. And this is in the shade Morning Light by Sephora. So for my bottom lash line, I'm going to take this color here called Pyramid. And then I'm going to take that color Throne that we put on the lid, and I'm just going to blend that into the corner eye. So I'm not going to do a wing just for the sake of the video, that way I can use the 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil by Urban Decay. This pencil is so smooth, it really does just like glide, it's perfect. And then for my mascara, I'm going to use the Perversion Bigger, Blacker, Badder by Urban Decay. My lashes today, I'm going to be using these natural lashes from Ardell. For my lip today, I'm going to be using this color right here and this lipstick. This is the Studded Kiss cream lipstick. Wow, yeah, she's got a lot of colors. And whenever I get samples, I just use my lip brush from Castral. And then to finish this look, I'm going to be using the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water. Alright, you guys, here is the finished look today using my Sephora haul. Thank you guys so much for watching this video today. I hope you enjoyed it. I love getting Sephora hauls. I mean, who the fuck doesn't? But I love sharing them with you guys, and I was super excited about this specific package because it's kind of stepping out of my comfort zone. They're products I've never used before, a palette that has colors that I've never used before. So I think I completed that today by stepping out of my comfort zone and doing something a little bit different with my eyes. And yeah. So if you liked this video, go ahead and push a like and hit subscribe. And if you liked any of these products, check them out down below. They're all linked below. There'll be the Sephora links, Amazon links, all that good stuff. So check it out. And if you like this video, I have another Sephora haul video. So check that link up top. And as always, I hope you guys have an amazing week, and I will see you guys in my next video.